Bullish Star Atlas cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the most current obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following flood of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the immense drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain components with NFTs situated in game things and specific illustrations advancements. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected landscape on account of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their exceptional resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas game's universe is immense, and players should go out on forlorn, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas interactivity in the game. Players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or gather as one and make decentralized independent associations to lead over specific regions. Players obtain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a real monetary benefit to interest. Basic investigation is an exhaustive technique that requires a careful comprehension of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, fathoming macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation methodology, and having the option to decipher monetary reports are essential for performing principal investigate. Likewise, it for the most part utilizes freely accessible information, like an organization's past income and net revenues, to conjecture future development. Star Atlas current cost. Star Atlas is at present worth $0. Atlas has moved 3.72% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,105,467. Star Atlas is at present positioned 447 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $36,071,993 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Star Atlas value expectation 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Atlas cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star Atlas value expectation 2024. In 2024, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Atlas's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Atlas value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Star Atlas effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Averaging out at 3 cents. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Atlas cost in 2031 is projected to be 3 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 3 cents. And present-day innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astounding visuals and imaginative ongoing interaction. The game not just requests to players who are now mindful of blockchain innovation and cryptographic forms of money, yet additionally has every one of the characteristics that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Besides, the game can advance the boundless reception of digital forms of money on account of its imaginative in-game plan, shocking illustrations, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive speculation, according to the most extreme cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging value, Star Atlas cost expectation, current cost, and normal estimate value, the digital money market, and Star Atlas gauge, among various variables. What is the Star Atlas cost today? Today, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $36,071,993. Is Star Atlas a wise venture? Star Atlas